Hi guys, this is Suzanne from Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Come on inside because I am excited. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite tablescapes, and the reason it is one of my favorites is because it is tablescaped with blue and white. Yes, blue and white, two of my favorite color combinations. This is not necessarily my favorite because of the particular dishes that I chose to use, but there's something about the blue and white that just screams Southern. It screams hospitality. It is inviting. It's classic. It is just an overall good look for home decor, entertaining, and tablescapes. So let's get started, guys. Let's take a look at this blue and white tablescape. Just like the outdoor spring summer tablescape that we did recently using the thrifted items and especially the thrifted fish dishes, this indoor tablescape using the blue and white are also thrifted items. Yes, almost all items on this tablescape are thrifted items. As you will notice on this table, there is a lot of milk glass. One of my favorite all-time collections is milk glass. I love all things milk glass, and the good thing about collecting milk glass is you can still find it quite frequently at thrift stores, secondhand stores, consignment stores, and even yard sales. So if you are looking for something that has a real classic look that can be used with a variety of different tablescapes, different colors and different patterns, or if you are like me and like to go for an all-white tablescape look, milk glass is a good foundation of dishes to look for and to add to your collection. So here on this table we have milk glass hobnail goblets, we have the milk glass hen, we even have some milk glass candlesticks, and all of these are thrifted milk glass pieces. You will also notice the short bowls that are holding the bush roses are also milk glass pieces. And the thing I like about using these shorter bowls for fresh flowers is that it's not so obtrusive on the table. You can have the shorter bowls of fresh flowers and your friends and family can still easily see over the fresh arrangement to see each other at the table, and it doesn't obstruct the view. Yes, this milk glass bowls, they are holding some fresh bush roses that are growing in the garden right now. It makes a lovely combination together. The thrifted dishes that are used on this tablescape are a combination of different blues and whites. The floral blue and white dishes are all ironstone, and they really go well together with the combination of different shaped plates and different colors. And they all come together to create a really nice look for this blue and white tablescape. The table runner that I've used for this tablescape is simply a piece of burlap used to create a runner down the center of the table, and then simply a piece of fabric folded that can be reused for other purposes after I finish with this tablescape. The large blue and white platter in the center of the table is a gift that I treasure that was given to me by my mother-in-law. The platter, along with the blue and white riser, the blue and white ginger jar, and the white simple piece of wood that I have painted and distressed in white, adds a lot of dimension and interest for the center of the table. The pretty gray and yellow linen napkins are also thrifted items, and I think they pair together beautifully with the blue and white dishes that are displayed on the tablescape. You will also notice that I have picked a couple of branches of fresh green hedge shrubbery from the garden and placed that on the tablescape. And of course that just adds a touch of greenery and pops such a good color against the white dishes. Then to top off this tablescape, I've added a thrifted ginger jar that is blue and white and added a couple of green hydrangea blooms. How much more southern can you get than that? And the green of the hydrangea bushes pairs beautifully with the blue and the white dishes. So here you go, guys. Here is just one example of a blue and white tablescape using thrifted items. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and stay tuned because we have more thrifted tablescapes to share with you, future DIY projects, repurpose ideas, home decor, gardening, lots more good videos, fun videos coming your way. So, from Sweet Tea and Whimsy, I hope you have a good evening.